Hi, this is Tom. Welcome to my channel. So I have something exciting to share, which is a document to give to for AI on constructing good color schemes. And this is the document here. It's written for AI and as opposed to human beings, although there would be a lot of similarity. But it's going through trying to get the colors. The problems that come up is, I would say, like a lack of contrast in certain areas that will make text not be sharp. That's a common problem where just the colors aren't chosen with good values so that there's enough contrast. And the document goes through rules for AI on how to set that up. And so you can sort of see how it's set up. I'm not going to go through this. I have a URL for it, which is right here. I'll include this in the URL, sorry for the description of the video. And you can just copy and paste this and give it to your AI. And I want to show like what sort of results you can expect from the document and look at an issue that was difficult to solve it. And all right, so what I found was it wasn't too difficult to come up with dark themes that looked good. So I'm going to go through a number of dark themes here, and you can see, I hope you'll agree with me that all of these look good. So um, these vary on the different primary colors, but you can see it keeps certain things in common. You have the light text is very easy to see, and it all goes together pretty well. And all of these look pretty good, and they're all consistent. They're consistent in that they have the same values, by which I mean how bright the different elements appear. So that's something that the document covers, so that regardless of the um, color chosen, it's actually, I won't go into all the details, but it's actually pretty interesting the way that it deals with the RGB setup, red, green, blue, of the basic hardware, and how to map that to human-friendly principles, which would be, how bright things appear, and how the different colors go together, how clearly you can read, and so on. But it was fairly easy to get the dark themes to look good, but it was a challenge to get the light ones to look good. So this is a light theme. And what I found was to make this look good, the idea was when it has a light background to mostly have everything in black or gray, as opposed to if we look at the dark themes, you'll see a number of different colors. And the reason for this is, I thought, quite interesting, and has to do with research has shown that the uh, the easiest thing, the easiest color scheme for humans to work with are what you have in books. And that's what we have the most history with, just regular print. And so with the white colored scheme, you want to stick to making it look more like a book. So hence uh, the more monochromatic. We have some other colors splashed here and there, but we're keeping all the main text dark. darker gray, and then just using like the underlying blue here. We only actually see this in this particular one in one spot. But if I show another one, which was the one I was originally showing to start the video, I can find where that went. Well, here's another one that has a similar kind of idea. But where is the, did I put it here? This is it, yes. Okay, well, this is a dark one. I should have a white version there. All right, so here's the white version of this. So this is a good example. So you can see you just have the blue highlighting the main area. You've got a light blue in the background. You got some blue ribbons, but the text is predominantly in black. So that's another example of how this scheme makes the light schemes look good, as opposed to, I'll show like a scheme that I wasn't happy with, and this was what I was trying to fix. That I think that these lighter blues, they just don't work well, and I don't think I have a version here. I don't have a version here, but I mean with other colors besides blue, it was even worse. Um, but anyway, that's the general concept. And if you like the colors, I'll go through them again here. Like this is for the light theme, and then here's a dark theme. If you like the way this looks, then just come to the URL and grab this document, give it to your AI, and it should be able to come up with color schemes that are similar to what you see here. Well, thanks for watching, and I hope that's helpful. Until next time.